Today I am reviewing the Arctic Liquid Freezer 3 Pro. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let's start with the basics. The Arctic Liquid Freezer 3 Pro is a 360mm AIO liquid cooler, which means it uses three 120mm fans to push a massive volume of air through a thick 38mm radiator. This size and thickness allow for much better heat dissipation than standard coolers, and that's a big win for gamers, content creators, and power users alike. Now, what really sets this cooler apart is the attention to engineering detail, something Arctic is known for. One standout feature is the contact frame optimized specifically for Intel LGA1851 and LGA1700 sockets. This unique design ensures an even pressure distribution across your CPU's integrated heat spreader, which not only improves thermal transfer, but can actually increase the longevity of your processor. That's right, better cooling and better lifespan in one package. Let's talk fans. This AIO comes equipped with Arctic's upgraded P12 Pro fans. Compared to the standard P12S, these new models are stronger and quieter, especially at lower RPMs. That means you get efficient cooling even when your system is idle or under light load, without annoying fan noise. And when you're gaming or rendering at full load, the fans ramp up with a higher maximum speed to keep temperatures in check. These are PWM controlled, so your system automatically adjusts the fan speed based on temperature, ensuring a perfect balance of performance and acoustics. But Arctic didn't stop there. They also included a dedicated VRM fan, a small but powerful fan near the CPU block that actively cools your motherboard's voltage regulation modules. This is a rare feature in most AIO coolers, and it's especially important for overclockers or those with high-end CPUs. It ensures the power delivery system stays cool and stable even when you're pushing your processor to the limit. Another thoughtful touch is native offset mounting for both Intel and AMD platforms. What does that mean? Simply put, the base of the cold plate is intentionally shifted to align more directly with the hottest spot of your CPU. This leads to more efficient heat transfer exactly where it's needed most, resulting in better cooling performance across the board. Now, cable clutter is always a headache in PC building, but Arctic has addressed that beautifully with integrated cable management. All the PWM fan cables for the radiator are routed through the braided tubing sleeve. So instead of multiple wires hanging all over your motherboard, you only need to connect a single cable. The result? A much cleaner and more professional-looking build, with improved airflow and easier installation. Aesthetically, the ARGB lighting on this cooler is nothing short of stunning. Each of the three fans comes with beautiful addressable RGB lighting that syncs perfectly with popular motherboard software like ASUS Aura Sync, MSI Mystic Light, Gigabyte RGB Fusion, and more. Whether you're going for a bold rainbow glow or a minimal white effect, the lighting is customizable to match your build's personality. Installation is also fairly straightforward, whether you're using AMD's AM4 or AM5 sockets or Intel's latest LGA1700 1851. Arctic provides detailed instructions and includes high-quality mounting hardware to make the process smooth, even for first-time builders. So who is this cooler for? If you're a gamer running demanding titles at ultra settings, a content creator working with 4K video, or a PC enthusiast who wants maximum thermal headroom for overclocking, the Arctic Liquid Freezer 3 Pro 360 ARGB is a rock-solid investment. It delivers top-tier performance, ultra-quiet operation, and premium features, all at a price that competes well with brands like Corsair, NZXT, and Cooler Master. In conclusion, Arctic has absolutely nailed the balance between form and function here. With superior cooling performance, whisper-quiet fans, clean aesthetics, and smart design choices like VRM cooling and integrated cabling, the Liquid Freezer 3 Pro isn't just another AIO cooler. It's a statement piece for your high-end PC build. Whether you're chasing high FPS in games or blazing through creative workloads, this cooler has the muscle and brains to keep your system cool, quiet, and future-proof.